How to make eating spinach fun and delicious. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an often underrated superfood, spinach. Most of us know that spinach is packed with nutrients and is great for our health. But let's be honest, it's not always the most exciting thing to eat. Well, today we're going to change that. We're going to show you some delicious and fun ways to enjoy spinach so that you can reap all its amazing benefits without feeling like you're sacrificing on taste. Are you ready? Let's get started. Host. First up, we have a classic, the spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. Not only is this dish a protein powerhouse, but the combination of flavors is truly delightful. Simply butterfly your chicken breast, stuff it with a mixture of spinach, feta cheese, and some garlic, and then bake it to perfection. The result is a juicy, flavor-packed meal that will make you forget you're even eating spinach. Host. Next, let's talk about smoothies. If you're someone who's not a huge fan of the taste of spinach on its own, throwing a handful into a smoothie is a great way to sneak in those nutrients without even noticing. Try blending spinach with some frozen berries, a banana, and a splash of coconut milk for a refreshing and vibrant smoothie that will have you feeling amazing. Host. Another way to jazz up your spinach game is by making a delicious spinach and artichoke dip. This creamy and savory dip is perfect for parties or just a night in with some Netflix. Mix together spinach, artichoke hearts, cream cheese, and a handful of other ingredients, and then pop it in the oven until it's golden and bubbly. Serve it with some crunchy bread or veggie sticks, and you've got yourself a crowd-pleasing snack that also happens to be packed with goodness. Host. Now let's not forget about salads. I know salads can be boring, but they don't have to be. Try mixing up a spinach salad with some fresh strawberries, goat cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette. The sweetness of the strawberries paired with the tangy cheese and the earthiness of the spinach creates a salad that is as beautiful as it is delicious. Host. Last but not least, we can't talk about spinach without mentioning the classic spinach and cheese omelet. This breakfast favorite is a great way to start your day with a healthy dose of greens. Simply sauté some spinach with a bit of garlic, then add it to your beaten eggs along with some cheese of your choice. Cook it up, fold it over, and enjoy a hearty and satisfying meal that will keep you fueled until lunch. Host. So there you have it, folks. 5 delicious and fun ways to enjoy spinach that will have you coming back for more. Whether you're a spinach skeptic or a die-hard fan, these recipes are sure to make you appreciate this powerhouse green even more. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Boost your smoothies with spinach. Host. Hey, smoothie lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take your smoothie game to the next level by adding a surprising ingredient, spinach. Now, before you scrunch up your face, hear me out. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, and when combined with the right ingredients, it can take your smoothies to a whole new level. Let's get blending. Host. First off, let's talk about why spinach is such a great addition to your smoothies. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a fantastic way to amp up the nutrition in your favorite blended drinks. Plus, its mild flavor means it won't overpower the taste of your smoothie, so you can enjoy all the benefits without feeling like you're drinking a salad. Host. Now let's dive into our first recipe, the classic green smoothie. This simple but effective blend includes spinach, banana, pineapple, and a splash of coconut water. The sweetness of the fruit balances the earthiness of the spinach, resulting in a delightful and refreshing drink that will keep you coming back for more. Host. Next up, we have a berry blast smoothie. This vibrant blend combines spinach with a medley of mixed berries, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey. The result is a beautiful purple concoction that is not only visually appealing but also packed with nutrients and flavor. Host, moving on, let's explore a tropical twist with our mango spinach smoothie. By combining spinach, ripe mango, a squeeze of lime, and a hint of ginger, you'll create a zesty and exotic blend that will transport you to a sunny beach with every sip. Host. Last but not least, we have the creamy green goddess smoothie. This decadent blend features spinach, avocado, banana, and a splash of almond milk. The creaminess of the avocado and banana makes for a velvety, smooth texture, while the spinach adds an extra punch of nutrients. Oh, so there you have it, folks. 4 delightful and nutritious ways to incorporate spinach into your smoothies. Give these recipes a try and let us know which one becomes your new favorite. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to blending up delicious and healthy concoctions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.